And we're back with another knife review. Today it is the CH3009. Let's go ahead and pop it open. We'll bring our thing up here. Nice smooth opening. So we'll do it right here in front of you today. So this knife is 8 inches overall. The handle length is 4.2728. Blade length is 3.75 with a cutting edge of somewhere around 3.6. The blade material is D2. The chassis is titanium. It's an alloy TC4 frame lock with the same pocket clip. Utilizes barrel back spacers to give you that see-through chassis, as you can see there. That keeps down on the weight. Jimping on the back and on the bottom of the thumb stud, which we like that. Interesting choil. It's not usable. Has a design here that also lightens it and gives it a unique look. Ceramic ball bearing for the pivot system. Blade width is 3.5 millimeters. So we'll go ahead and show you how this knife cuts. The weight on this knife is just at 4 ounces. We'll do a pullback cut here. You can see it cuts very smoothly. As expected, all the CH knives that I've done demos for, reviews, have all cut well, even the teeny little CH Mini. That cut through very easily. Just a simple push-through cut. Grab some cardboard here. And we'll show you how it cuts. Start at the tip and work our way back. Now we'll pull it the other direction. So it's pretty sharp. So you can see there, it cuts pretty easily and thoroughly. This blade has a interesting design to it here, and it has a beveled edge there. Once again, this is the CH3009 from CH Knife. Very lightweight flipper. Can one-hand it easily. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife and like our post. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly show that Jill and I do. It's informative of all the new knives, as well as she likes to believe it's hilarious. On that note, CH3009 from CH Knife. I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.